Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Simplified, where we break down complex topics into easy steps. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw Chainlink from Kraken to Uphold in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, knowing how to move your assets securely is crucial. Whether you're staking, trading, or just diversifying, this guide will get you from Kraken to Uphold without a hitch. Let's dive in. First off, before we start, make sure you have a verified account on both Kraken and Uphold. You'll need Chainlink, Link, tokens in your Kraken wallet and the exact Uphold wallet address handy. Also, keep in mind that in 2025, crypto regulations and network fees might have changed, so always double-check the latest details on the platforms. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account using your credentials. Once you're in, head to the Wallets or Funding section and select Withdraw. Step 2. From the list of assets, choose Chainlink, Link. You'll see options for the network. Stick with the Ethereum network unless specified otherwise, as it's the most common for Link. Step 3. Enter the amount of Chainlink you want to withdraw. Be mindful of any minimum withdrawal limits and estimated fees displayed on screen. These can vary based on network congestion in 2025. Step 4. Paste your Uphold wallet address into the field provided. This is super important. Triple check for accuracy to avoid losing your funds. If Uphold uses a specific format, ensure it matches. Step 5. Review all the details, including the destination address, amount, and fees. Enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already for added security, then hit Confirm to process the withdrawal. After that, switch over to your Uphold account and keep an eye on your wallet. Transfers usually take a few minutes to an hour, but it could be longer depending on the blockchain's traffic. A quick tip. In 2025, with potential new regulations, always monitor for any additional verification steps. And remember, crypto isn't reversible, so stay cautious. There you have it. That's how you withdraw Chainlink from Kraken to Uphold. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more guides. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.